Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Today, we're going to show you how to get Discovery Plus on your Fire Stick and Fire TV. So let's dive right in. First, make sure your Fire Stick or Fire TV is connected to the internet. You can check this by going to Settings, then Network, and selecting your Wi-Fi network. If you're connected, you're good to go. From the home screen, navigate to the magnifying glass icon, which is the search function. It's located in the top left corner of your screen. Using the on-screen keyboard, type in Discovery Plus. As you type, you should see suggestions appear below. When you see Discovery Plus, select it. Once you've selected Discovery Plus, you'll be taken to the app's download page. Click on the download or get button to begin downloading the app. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the app has finished downloading, you can open it directly from here by clicking Open, or you can find it later in your Apps and Channels section. To find Discovery Plus later, go back to the home screen and scroll down to your Apps and Channels. If you don't see it right away, click on See All to view all your installed apps. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to sign in or sign up. If you already have a Discovery Plus account, simply enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, you can sign up directly through the app or on the Discovery Plus website. Once you're signed in, you're all set. You can now explore all the amazing content Discovery Plus has to offer, from your favorite reality shows to gripping documentaries. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Discovery Plus on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more how-to videos and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.